Go, finish, 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 let's go! Woo!
Sushi! That one will kill me. Sushi! Hot sake and cold sake. Sushi, whale, miso soup, blessed. Welcome to Tokyo Walkthrough. That's freaking amazing, right?
Spring.
Let's go to paradise! How big they are.
That's how big they were in Bali. They were massive.
The shark. We're in Yoyogi, Tokyo, Japan right now with my old pal, Samajama. Shout out to Samajama. And we're just looking to do something right now. We're walking around. It's really hot outside. Beautiful city though. Say hi to everybody. Hello. Tell them a shout out. Want to shout out somebody? Beautiful here. Where are we right now? Meijing.
What?
Meijing.
I don't
Shrine,
know
I
how to
think.
pronounce it. I don't want to butcher it.
Yeah. I don't know where we are right now.
A shrine.
Smile. Shibuya. Going to Shibuya.
JR East.
Conveyor belt sushi. We did it. We're here. Finally. We just crushed 1,000 pounds of sushi. I can barely walk. I am slowly drifting away.
Mega Don Quijote.
Did you guys know that IKEA in Pasay City, Philippines is the largest IKEA in the world? It was not propaganda by the Halleck family. It is a fact. Facts. It's not for drinking. We're going home after like almost a month away from home and the puppies. And we're not flying premium this time.
Yeah, but luckily we'll be tired. So we'll the whole time.
Coffee. Alright, we're going home. Going to YYC, Calgary. Calgary? I know. Way to go home and see the puppies. Let's get it. In economy class. Boo. No leg space. Yikes. Alright.